everyone. Mabuhay. I am Grayan J. A. Capio. Today, I will discussing the 12 types of tourism.
First is mass tourism.
Mass tourism happens when a large number of people travel to the same destination, especially during holiday or peak seasons. For example, places like Boracay Island in the Philippines, Disneyland in United States, and Bali in Indonesia receive many tourists in every year. The activity usually include swimming, sightseeing, shopping, and visiting famous tourist spots. The main purpose of mass tourism is to provide enjoyment and entertainment to many tourists while helping the local economy grow.
Second is adventure.
Adventure tourism involves traveling to places where tourists can experience exciting and challenging activities. Examples include mountain climbing in Mount Apo, scuba diving in Palawan, and whitewater rafting in Cagayan de Oro. The activities include hiking, trekking, climbing mountains, rafting, and ziplining. The purpose of adventure tourism is to experience thrill, excitement, and explore nature in an adventurous way.
Third is ecotourism.
Ecotourism is responsible travel to natural areas and protect the environment and support local communities. Examples include Tubatahar Reefs Natural Park, the Chocolate Hills in Bohol, and rainforest parks. Tourists usually do activities like nature walk, wildlife observation, bird watching, and environmental tours. The purpose of ecotourism is to promote environmental conservation and educate people about protecting nature.
Fourth is sustainable.
Sustainable tourism focuses on tourism that does not have the environment, culture, or local economy. Examples include eco-friendly hotels, green resorts, and community-based tourism projects. Activities may include supporting local products, cultural tours, and eco-friendly travel practices. The purpose is to make tourism beneficial for the environment, local communities, and future generation.
Fifth is recreational.
Recreational tourism is to travel mainly for relaxation and enjoyment. Examples include going the beaches, resort, theme parks, and recreational parks.
Sixth is health and medical.
This is when people travel to another place or country to receive medical treatment or improve their health. Examples include cosmetic surgery in South Korea, dental treatments in Thailand, and spa or wellness resorts. Activities include medical checkups, surgeries, therapy sessions, and wellness treatments. The purpose is to receive better, specialized, or more affordable healthcare services.
Seven is convention.
Conventions tourism involves traveling to attend meetings, conference, seminars, or professional events. Examples include business conventions, academic conferences, and international meetings. Activities include attending presentation, workshop, networking, and professional and business discussion. The purpose is to exchange knowledge, build professional relationships, and discuss important topics in the different industries.
8 is village and urban.
Village tourism focuses on visiting rural areas and experiencing the traditional lifestyle of the local communities. For example, visiting rural villages in the Philippines is village tourism, while visiting Manila, Tokyo, or New York is urban tourism. Activities in villages include farming experiences and cultural interaction, while urban tourism includes shopping, visiting museum, and city tours. The purpose is to experience both traditional rural life and modern city culture.
9 is ethnic. Ethnic tourism is when tourists visit places to learn about the culture and traditional of indigenous or ethnic groups. Examples include visiting the Ifuga communities and indigenous culture villages. Activities include watching cultural dances, learning traditional crafts, and observing ritual and traditions. The purpose is to understand and appreciate the lifestyle and traditions of different ethnic groups. 10 is cultural. Cultural tourism focuses on experiencing the culture, traditional art, and lifestyle of a place. Examples include attending festival like the Sinulog Festival, visiting museum, and watching cultural performances. Activities include learning about local traditions, tasting traditional food, and attending cultural events. The purpose is to appreciate and learn about different cultures and way of life. 11 is historical. Historical tourism involves visiting places and that have important historical value. Examples include Intramuros, Rizal Parks, and historical landmarks around the world like the Pyramid of Egypt. Activities include visiting monuments, museums, and historical sites. The purpose is to learn about the past and understand the history of a place. The last is domestic. Domestic tourism is when people travel within their own country, while international tourism is when the people travel to another country. For example, traveling from Davao to Cebu is domestic tourism, while traveling from the Philippines to Japan is international tourism. Activities include sightseeing, shopping, cultural experience, and vacations.